A 38-year-old man met with a road accident and was rushed to a nearby hospital. In the hospital, Ritesh was attended to by the doctor and nurse who dressed up his wounds. On close examination of Ritesh, the doctor noticed a few missing teeth. A dentist was called, who advised Ritesh to get the missing teeth replaced. Otherwise, the rest of the teeth might shift out of alignment, creating a bad bite which may result in oral health issues. The remaining moving teeth can make the roots weak. The dentist further explained that as a result of missing teeth, Ritesh could suffer from bone loss. As tooth roots stimulate gums and jawbones, their absence can cause the jawbone to lose its density. Moreover, he should get the teeth replaced due to aesthetic reasons. Taking heed of the dentist's advice, Ritesh gets his missing teeth replaced. If you too have lost teeth due to some reason, it is advisable to visit your dentist and get the missing teeth replaced.